Hi! In front of me is OPPO A16 and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. First of all, go into Play Store, tap on the search bar and type in Magic Fluids. Now you need to install this free app. Come on. This one from this developer and choose Open. Then click on those three lines at the bottom right corner. Over here tap on Settings and choose I accept in this pop-up. Lastly, you can adjust all of wallpaper settings however you wish to and click on the top right corner, then bottom one again. After that, choose Set as Live Wallpaper and pick Apply. Now select one of those options. I want to set up my wallpaper on both screens, so I will go with Home and Lock screen. And now when I click Home button, as you can see, my wallpaper has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!